We're making enchilada pie. This is actually enchilada pie without the chilada. A little bit more on the low carb side without using corn tortillas or flour tortillas. I like to cut it down with a little bit of turkey. And I have lean ground beef in here. This is my favorite right here. I don't eat at Taco Bell, unfortunately, but I do like this Taco Bell seasoning mix. I use 2 of these in here with all of this. I'll take you with me as we kind of assemble it. I put in a can of petite diced tomatoes, and I want to make sure that when we go to make the enchilada casserole, it is nice and tender, and I don't need a lot of liquid for it to come together. And we are going to put cheese in this dish because it's really, really good. We're going to take these H-E-B brand restaurant style tortilla chips. These are in my budget. Use any type of tortilla chips you like. This recipe is not indicative to any other tortilla chip. Take this, put it here in this pan, the whole bag. We're gonna just crush it. Don't be afraid, you're good. Go in with the meat mixture, a little bit of cheese on top, and then we're gonna put it in a 375-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. We got all the meat and the juices that were with the meat all dumped on top. We're gonna kind of get it stirred up and get it all incorporated. We're gonna dig the chips up and mix it with the meat. Put this in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. And go in with a little bit of cheese. It's so amazing how this comes together. Spreading some cheese over this casserole. As we just did a Mexican blend, you can grade your own cheese. Remember, do what works best for you and your budget. No one's judging. I know nobody not out here judging. We're gonna just use this whole bag. We're gonna spread it out on top. And we are gonna cover it with foil in about 35 or 40 minutes in the oven. And then you're gonna be amazed how this comes together. This canola oil that we're going to spray on the foil so it doesn't stick to the cheese. We'll show you that. We're going to give the underbelly of the foil a spray. This is the non-shiny side of the foil, just to help ensure that it doesn't stick. It doesn't matter what type of oil that you're using. It could be canola, it could be olive oil. Remember, we're not judging. This into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes.